Hello everyone and welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. For today's video we're checking out these smart colored string lights. So I'll show you guys what you get. So they give you a remote, some zip ties, and a manual. Let's go ahead, pull this off, show you what's inside the box here. So lots and lots of lights here. Each bulb looks like it's individually wrapped. Plastic bulbs that thread out. So for whatever reason, if you need to thread the bulbs out, you can. Now the LED does not come out. That stays inside the socket. So just this housing comes out with that. I know it's a little tough to show you guys right here how everything works, so we're probably just going to hook everything up. Let's find the power supply and see here. So it does take your regular standard power outlet. We can show you guys the remote, and then we can just go ahead and jump right into how it looks. So this is the remote, and it looks like you got a ton of different options here. So lot to learn. Can't go over everything in the video unless you guys want to sit here for a couple hours. So make sure you check out your listing and the manual. But let's show you guys what they look like. So guys, we are working on setting up these lights. So this is how they look. In person, they look even better than the camera. Haven't really played with the control yet. I mean, they are really nice. I mean, super bright as well, guys. These probably are one of my most favorite lights. That I've reviewed. And I know you guys are going to have a hard time seeing the actual color because it's hard sometimes. But trust me, you guys are going to love it. So you can manually control this. So if you hold this button here, it changes colors. Very nice. Again, guys, I think you're going to absolutely love them. Tons of things you guys can do with them.